Welcome, in front of me is the CYRUS CS40, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, let's open up the Contacts standalone app, as it is right here. And as you can see, you will see contacts that are already on your phone, but you can also see that there is a little icon next to the letter, and that is to signify that they are located on your SIM card. So if you were to remove that SIM card, those contacts will just simply disappear. Now, to transfer those contacts onto your phone, you want to tap on the three dots and go to Import, Export, Copy Contacts From. So let's select SIM, tap on Next, Copy Contacts To. Now for me, I have only one option, but if I were logged in, for instance, my Google account, the Google account would be also a option. So I'm going to choose with the phone, obviously. Tap on Next, and here you have a list of all the contacts that are on the SIM card. So you can select every contact, or for instance just a couple that you might want to keep. However many it is, it's completely up to you. Once you have selected them, tap on OK, and as you can see, you will get a notification, copy contact successful, copied 3 contacts, and now those 3 contacts should be visible without any kind of SIM icon next to the letter, as you can see, for instance, with the contact right here, and right here. So there is only 3 of them. And if I were, like I said, to take out the SIM card, which, you know what, I can do that right now as an example. Assuming I can quickly get it out of there. There we go. So if I'm gonna open contacts now, you can see that the rest of the contacts just disappeared, and there's only 3. But that is how you would copy contacts from the SIM card to the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.